I'm Sophie. I live in Montreal. It's one of Canada's biggest cities. And this is Zong, the man I love. Zong lives 11,000 kilometers away in Beijing, China. I met him last year when I traveled to Asia for a business trip. It's been 172 days since we last saw each other. I can't stop thinking about him. He's so smart, simple, humble. He's also one of the best students in his class. He's a mathematical genius. Even before we met, he had always dreamed about studying in North America. I told him that Canada would be a great place for that. He told me he wasn't sure if his English was good enough. I told him, "Come on, Zong, you can do anything. The best way to find out if your English is good enough is to do the IELTS test." I did it when I was looking for a job in a multinational company. Road to IELTS really helped me prepare myself. So he did. His tests, especially the face-to-face speaking part, went really well. After he received his IELTS results, enrolling in university was a piece of cake. You never know what life has in store for you until you make the right choices to discover it.
More people go more places with IELTS.